and happy Thursday. But today I wanted to share something with you, and that is how to post Instagram posts from your desktop computer, which is normally not the case. So today is not just for seniors, but it's for anybody that's on Instagram and is frustrated that they have to use their cell phone to post on Instagram, because Instagram is mostly set up so that you have to post from your cell phone. I think they think, oh, you're out there using your cell phone to take pictures, and now you're going to quickly upload them to Instagram. But it's frustrating for those of us who maybe want to add watermarks or websites or be able to edit videos because there's people in them that we didn't want in them or whatever, and then upload those. And a lot of people see these things or be able to manage these things better on their computer. And then it's frustrating that they can't upload it. So I have a trick. It's super easy. I'm going to show you. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. So what you do is, and this trick is that I know of is only available in Chrome. So you have to be using Chrome. There may be some shortcuts for if you're using Edge or some of these other browsers, but this one is only, as what I know, is available on Chrome. So I have a Windows PC. And again, if you're using a Mac, I think it would work if you're using Chrome on your Mac. If not, let me know and I'll find a way for that to work as well. But so I'm using Windows PC and I open up with Windows 10 and I open up Chrome. And here I've already logged into Instagram.com. And if you didn't know, I've had some people lately with some problems being able to understand the importance of actually going to Instagram.com up here, not just typing in Instagram, because then that's going to open up a Google search or whatever it is that you use as your search in your browser as a default. But anyway, so you type in Instagram.com up here, you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, you're going to want to log in. Here I am logged in as onlinetechlessons.com, and which has the Hip Senior, which is our new magazine. That's out at thehipsenior.com, by the way, just a little, shameless promotion there. And so what you do is you go over here where there isn't anything. There's no links, there's no pictures, there's nothing, just somewhere where it's white space. So anywhere in this area or over here. And so I'm going to go over here to the right, and you right click, and then you scroll down and you click on inspect. And that's going to open up all the different elements and code and everything else of this website. Here, as you move along, it's showing you what that's affecting. Okay, so ignore all of this. This is it. I know it looks overwhelming, and it would be for me as well. So ignore all of that. The only thing that you need from that little piece right there is this little section right here. I don't know if you can see my mouse there. It's right in the corner. It looks like a phone and a tablet, and it's right next to where it says elements. That's underlined there, right here. And for you, it may not be blue, okay? You want to click on it so that it's blue. It's kind of that makes it highlighted, right? So that's going to show you what your phone or tablet would be looking like when you're on your phone, right? So in Instagram. So now your mouse has changed to this little circle. And at the bottom, you notice there's not a plus like you would on your phone. What you do is you go up here and you hit refresh. Okay, you allow it to refresh, and now there's a plus at the bottom down here. When you do that, now you're going to be able to go in there and click that plus, and it's going to open either you're going to want to find where that folder is. It might be under, where the pictures are. They might be under download if you downloaded it somewhere from the internet. It might be in your OneDrive or your Google Drive, or even just in pictures on your computer. So you're going to go in there and you're going to find the photo that you want to upload. You're going to click it and say open, and now that photo's there. You can actually click over here on the left-hand side, and it will actually make things fit a little bit better. You might have to go resize some of your photos if they don't fit in Instagram too great. Canva is a great program for that. And then you're going to go up here, and just like on your phone, you're going to hit next. and you're going to put in your subject. You're going to put in any hashtags that you might have. If you want to put the location or tag people in that, you're going to do that. And then you're just going to literally hit share. And now this picture is in my Instagram. How simple was that? So I hope you enjoyed this tip. I hope you find it useful. If you have any questions, hit me up on Facebook or shoot me an email at support@onlinetechlessons.com. And I hope everybody is having a great week and continue to stay healthy and be great. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.